Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve WhatsApp your phone date is inaccurate. To know how to fix WhatsApp your phone date is inaccurate, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of WhatsApp and you will enter. After that, in this page you will click force stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage here. After that, in this page you can click clear cache, and then you will go to click clear data, and after all that you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. Sorry for that mistake. In another video, and thank you for watching.